Have you ever wondered why big celebrities like Rihanna, Dwayne Johnson, and Conor McGregor launch their own successful consumer packaged products? They can leverage their fame, capital, and operational teams to create billion-dollar businesses. But what about smaller influencers? Well, thanks to Supliful, you too can now launch your own product line. Hi, my name is Rihards, and I'm here to tell you why you, as a social media influencer, should seriously consider launching your own brand right now. Supliful is a dropshipping service that lets you launch your own consumer packaged product line with no upfront costs. After the launch, we keep supporting your business by dropshipping your orders and developing new products. With Supliful, you don't need to invest in product development, inventory, or operations. With that in mind, here are a few reasons why you, as a social media influencer, should launch your brand right now. Reason number one, no more random collabs. To make a living, you don't have to promote vacuum cleaner in one post and ice cream in the next one. This could create a disconnect with you and your followers, while launching your own product allows you to create a consistent brand that resonates with your audience. You can finally promote a product you genuinely believe in. Reason number two, you can earn more with your own product sales. While accepting cash collaborations may seem safer and easier, creating a loyal customer base through your own product line can lead to a recurring revenue stream that surpasses what you would earn by promoting other brands. Reason number three, build your own brand equity. When you promote other brands, you're essentially renting or selling your influence. But by investing your influence in your own brand, you can accumulate brand value over time. And who knows, someday you might even receive an offer from a buyer interested in purchasing your brand. It happened to me when I sold my previous e-commerce business. Reason number four, it's an insurance policy. People and algorithms change, and there is no predicting what will happen in the future. By growing your own brand equity and customer base, you become less dependent on social media as your sole revenue source. It provides you with stability and flexibility. So don't sell your influence, invest it in your brand equity instead. Launching your own product line allows you to create a lasting impact, build a loyal community, and generate long-term revenue. With Supliful, the entry barriers into consumer packaged goods industry are removed, making it easier than ever to bring your brand to life. Click the link in the description to launch your first product today, and I hope to see you on board.